Good morning, student. Today I am taking your class of maths. Hope so you all are fine and well at your home and enjoying your daily homework and activities, which is given by school on daily basis. First of all, we have done chapter 1 addition and subtraction, simple addition, simple subtractions, and carry over, borrow, and with objects with the addition also, subtraction also, and word problems, which we have done in different ways. Today we are doing concept round off of chapter 2, last exercise. So first of all, we should know about the rounding off. What is round off? So look here, a round off means making a number simpler. When we will talk to make a number simple, in simpler form, so it is called round off. We are dividing round off in two different groups. First is strongest group, second is weakest group. Strongest group means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Weakest group 4, 3, 2, 1. These are two different groups. On these both behalf, we can judge the value where it can lie or it can not be lie. So here is in your book, here is also mentioned a chart. Why this? It will make very easy to judge the value. So look here, rounding chart. Stay here if we lie here. Round up means if value is lying here. So here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are weakest number. Here we said weakest number. And these 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are strongest number. On the behalf of these number, we can judge the value. It will be here or may will be here. So let's try with examples. Now examples. First example is 76. When we will find the value, first of all we will say what are we doing. We will say what are we doing? We are doing the round off nearest tens. Nearest 10. So underline the 10 and circle the ones place. On the behalf, we can change the tens place value. So check in which group is 6. So look here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 is here. It is coming in strongest number. So now look here in the chart. So here is line 76. It means we will go round up value. 76 is strongest number, so it will be up to this side. Very carefully, if this is strongest number, then value will be increase one number. Now let's take second example, 52. So underline the value. So underline the value tens place. And here check the ones place. Where it is lying? It is lying in weakest number. Weakest number 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 is the weakest number. So here will be no change. You can check also in your book chart. Here we can see 52. 52 means near of 50. So there is no change means 5 0. And now let's take one more example from your book. Okay, get it. Now again underline the value of tens and circle the ones place. Now check where it is lying. It is also lying in weakest number. If it is lying in weakest number, then check also in charts also. Here where is lying? Nearest 30. So if our number is weakest number, then value will be tens place will be same. If our number is strongest number, then the tens place number will be increased with number 1. So now we are taking second example from your book. Okay, from your book it is 17. So underline the tens place and circle the ones place. If we are circle out it, then also check where it is lying, in strongest number or in weakest number. So let's check where it is lying. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where it is lying? It is lying in strongest group. Okay, so but we have done in last three examples. If our number is lying in strongest number, then our tens value will increase with 1. So what will be here? Here will be 1 plus 1, 2 in tens place, and here will be 0. So our 17 is nearest. Look here in chart. 17 is nearest of tens. Okay, so we have done all the different examples we have done. So try these all with your own self. I am giving this today's worksheet. If you are facing any problem, then you can ask me anytime. Hope so all you have got it all. Thank you.